keep your phone. Usually, when we went to the hospital, they always told you to turn off your phone, but like yesterday, they let me have my phone. Because I told them, nobody knows, my children doesn't know that I'm here in the hospital. So they put me an IV right away yesterday, and I was waiting there. I think by around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, they already told me, okay, if you can still be able to walk, you can go to, they told me, they accompany me to the ladies room to get a urine, so I can get because they order a urine test and a blood test. You guys please leave a comment, okay? Leave me a comment. It doesn't matter if you watch my short video, as long as you had a comment, so I can play your video, guys, because all day long, all my today I was before I do my live, I played already. I went to my YouTube studio. I went to the community and watch all the viewers there that was putting, that leave a comment into my video. So I think I played like around 20 viewers already that I played today. And again, today I'm gonna play again after my live, because right now Lolo is took all my supporting channel, so I don't have no supporting channel, which is the only channel I have right now is my main channel. So anyway, we just need to have like advertise, right? So after that, by 12:30, they told me that they're asking me if I eat. I said I did not eat anything, no water since this morning. No water since this morning when I wake up. No food, no breakfast. The first food that I had yesterday in my stomach is around 4 o'clock in the thing around 4:15 in the afternoon. I was so already hungry, starving, because they told me, guys, you don't need to have food in your stomach. Your stomach needs to be clean, because you need to have a CT scan for your stomach and your pelvics. And diagnosis, acute diverticulosis. Ibig sabihin po, namamaga po yung side ng aking intestine. Namamaga po yung aking bituka. Kung hindi daw yun naagapan, mag-spread kung pumutok daw yun, ay mag-spread yung infection sa stomach ko. At baka maoperahan po ako at ma-accompany po ako ng hospital at para baka maoperahan ako nung mga araw na yun kahapon. Kung hindi ko po naagapan kahapon yun. So kaya guys, kung sakalit man kasi lalong-lalo na po sa mga lugar na pag wala tayong pera, hindi po tayo magagamot. Yung pala sakit sa tiyan, iba na pala yung nangyayari sa buhay mo minsan na hindi na tayo aabot ng hospital kasi nag-spread na po yung nag-spread na po yung infection sa loob ng tiyan mo. Yun ang ko kahapon. Kasi kung alam ko lang magkakasakit ako kahapon, madala ko ng hospital kahapon, hindi po ako nagla-live kahapon. Kasi nag-live ako 7 o'clock eh. Ibig sabihin po, maganda pa yung pakiramdam ko.